Hello, dear viewers, in this video we want to see some of Baba Vanga's predictions for the coming year. Stay with us. One of Baba Vanga's most extensive predictions for 2023 is that the Earth's orbit will change in some way. It is unclear what this means, but if it does, it will have devastating consequences. Our planet, which has so far remained in a fine balance in the cosmic dance, could potentially cause a drastic change in climate with even the slightest change. Even a little bit closer to the sun will cause the temperature of the planet to increase drastically. As a result, glaciers melt, sea levels rise, and global chaos ensues. On the other hand, planet Earth moving further from the sun could plunge the world into an ice age, increasing the hours of darkness and causing chaos for nature. Another obscure prediction often attributed to Vanga is a solar storm on a scale never seen before. Solar storms are bursts of solar energy that send electrical charges, magnetic fields, and radiation toward Earth. Solar storms can be as powerful as billions of nuclear bombs. The strongest storms and solar flares are expected to damage technology and potentially lead to widespread blackouts and communications failures. In some apocalyptic warnings, the occurrence of such events is referred to as the return of mankind to the Dark Age. Vanga is claimed to have prophesied that a major nation would conduct bioweapons research on humans. According to this claim, hundreds of thousands of people may die as a result of these complex experiments. The United Nations Biological Weapons Convention effectively prohibits such tests. Also, that convention prohibits the storage of dangerous viruses and bacteria. However, there are concerns that some countries like China are secretly working on bioweapons in the shadows. In another, potentially more realistic prophecy, Vanga is claimed to have warned of a nuclear power plant explosion. His comments are often attributed to predicting the disaster at Chernobyl. This prediction could be even more alarming because there is a very real fear of a nuclear disaster in Ukraine right now. Russia has blockaded the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant in the midst of its war against Ukraine. UN inspectors have now visited the site, but concerns remain as Kyiv accuses Moscow of a nuclear blackmail. A wrong move at this facility could create a disaster that could spread across Europe. Vanga's last claim was that in 2023 births could be banned and all people could grow in a laboratory. In this prophecy, the world leaders will decide what kind of people will be born and can order the characteristics and appearance they want for the new babies. In fact, in this scenario, everyone will look like the characters of the Sims game. This is certainly one of Vanga's most outlandish prophecies and heightens the fears of some who worry about declining birth rates. The average birth rate from 1950 to 1955 was 36.9 births per 1,000 people, while it is now only 18.5, and some predict that it will decrease to 14.6 by 2050. Vanga predicted that in 2025, Europe will be mostly uninhabited, and in 2028, mankind will discover a new source of energy and set foot on the planet Venus, and sea levels will rise in 2033. It is further claimed that he prophesied that in 2288 we will witness the creation of time travel. By 3797 all humans will leave the planet Earth. In 4599 mankind will achieve immortality, and in 5078 humanity will leave the known world. I wish that all this is not true because if these things happen, it will bring very bad conditions to humanity. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing.